My fellow Americans, my name is Paul Johnson. In my day job, I sell Medicare supplements, life insurance, and short-term health insurance. If you and I had had a conversation on Fountain Square, people would come up hearing my voice and yours, and they'd say, aren't you Paul Johnson? I've heard you on the radio on WKRC or WLW, or maybe on WLAP in Lexington. I cannot explain to you the anger that I feel over the health insurance deal that we've gotten ourselves into. We've got ourselves in a mess. We have people call us weekdays. They don't call on Sunday, but they call and they say, Paul, I heard your ad on the radio, and I want to ask you if you have, I want to ask you about prices on health insurance for myself, for my family. And I tell these people, I have to disappoint you. You won't believe this, but I have nothing to sell you in the state of Kentucky or Ohio. I used to sell through Anthem, but no longer. They pulled out. I cannot explain to you the anger that I feel over that. But I've got the answer. Now, I'm not a betting man or a gambling man, but I would bet everything that I've been able to accumulate and hold and keep away from the tax collector on this one thing. I've got the answer. And I've told Trump about this, but I'm going to tell him again. President Trump, if you will put every congressman and every senator on Obamacare and make them pay for it, just like the unwashed, we will have health care reform in 2 weeks. Mitch McConnell and that crowd will get busy. I heard a fellow one time say, his name was Art Hoven. He was with the Broadway Christian Church in Lexington, and he was on the Christian Hour, you know, and Art was just really something. He had that white hair going, you know, and he dressed impeccably, and I heard him say one time something that was out of character for him. He said, you know, fellas, if it's ever right to hate, I've got my man picked out. And we all said, well, Art, who is it? Well, he said, I've got him picked out. I'm not going to name him, but I've got him picked out. I would bet everything, lay it all on the line, that if Trump put every bureaucrat and every congressman and every senator on Obamacare and made them pay for it, that we would have health insurance reform in 2 weeks. Trump, are you listening? May God richly bless America again and President Trump big time.